Welcome to our EAA supplement showcase. Today, we'll explore the top EAA products available on Amazon. Discover how these supplements can boost your muscle growth, enhance recovery, and improve performance. Let's get started. This Nangmo supplement provides mitog of iron from ferrous bisglycinate. It's clean, with no artificial flavors or colors, and includes a caffeinated version for pre-workout. Offering a comprehensive blend of all 9 EAAs, this powder supports muscle recovery and energy levels. It is free from gluten, lactose, soy, and sugar, making it adaptable to various dietary needs. This supplement includes Kaged EAAs per serving with a EAA ratio, is Nangmo, gluten-free, and vegetarian-friendly. It's tested by independent labs for safety and quality. Featuring a clinically proven aminogu blend, this product provides chug of EAAs per serving, plus added acetylcholine and taurine for enhanced muscle recovery and hydration. It's vegan and sugar-free. This supplement offers a balanced ratio of EAAs and BCAAs, along with hydration support from coconut water powder, and performance boosters like citrulline malate and betaine anhydrous, ideal for muscle recovery and hydration.